Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial of mine on how to cure a zombie villager. I'm gonna apologize in advance for my keyboard sounds. I can't really fix it. But anyway, let's say you have met a zombie villager or found yourself at an igloo, such as this one. Now, in an igloo it's really easy. Basically, you have everything you need to cure the zombie villager. So, we have a golden apple in the chest, and in the brewing stand we have a potion of weakness. And here we have a zombie. So we splash him, we give him a golden apple, and it's all good. Yeah, now he's gonna start shaking, that's completely normal. But as for more in-depth explanation, you're gonna find our zombie villager and give him a little trap like this. Here we're gonna meet ourselves with our brewing stand, with water bottles and a crafting table. For one, we will need to make a blaze powder out of blaze rods and put them straight in, because otherwise it won't work. Then we're gonna have to make a fermented spider eye, such as this one. This is the recipe. And we're gonna plop it right in. Another thing we will need is a gunpowder and a golden apple. We're gonna begin with making the golden apple straight up. Now, it's gonna take some time for it to brew. And then immediately we can put in the gunpowder, so the potions could be splash potions instead of just basic drinkable weakness potions. With a little patience, it should be done soon. Another thing I should mention is that you will need to put a roof over your zombie's head so it doesn't burn. I think that should be good. Once it's done, you can take out your potion and again splash him and give him a golden apple. Now with, again, patience, you will have to wait and your zombie will cure and become a villager, as is written in the igloo. This into this, and then it becomes a cycle, so it will turn into this, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, you will get a zombie doctor achievement once it's done, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. Like the video if I helped you in any way. Goodbye!